ọpẹ́ ló yẹ mí, ojoojúmọ́ ni màá ṣọpẹ́ fún ìfẹ́ tèmi. Ọ̀rẹ́ mi, olólùfẹ́ mi, ọpẹ́ ló yẹ mí.
Hi guys, you've got Ayope here with Ayope Nuggets, and today I want to quickly tell you 5 things that you should never, I mean never, say to a woman. Here we go. Number 1, why can't you be more like who? Your mom? Your sister? Your ex? No. I am me. I can only be the best version of myself. Do not ever compare your woman to any other woman. Apart from the fact that it's wrong, it's unfair, comparison also is the thief of all joy. So by you comparing her, you are cutting yourself short. Number 2, you are fat. No. Like, how dare you? I think that comment is just so wrong. To even comment on a woman's weight, either fat or skinny, in a negative way with no solution, just to run her down, is wrong. It's unfair to the woman, it feeds into her insecurities, and it kills her confidence, which is not what you want to do to a person that you really care about. Number 3, when will you start having children? See, actually, it's a thing that we do and we think that we care or we're well-meaning, but at the same time, we don't know the struggle or the journey that the woman has been through. We don't know if she's lost a child. We don't know if they've been trying for ages. We don't know what circumstances she's in. And for you to ask that question, I would liken it to pouring salt in a wound. It would make her go and curl up inside and literally cry. Don't do it. It's not right. It's not fair. Number 4, this one is my personal favorite. Why are you still single? Oh, I don't know. Like, how am I supposed to know why I am still single? I mean, do you have the answers? If you have the answers, let me know. I mean, this kind of question, it's just a no-go. Like, what are you doing with that information, and what am I supposed to say? Is that like shade? Are you shading me undercover, or do you actually genuinely want to know why I'm still single? Even so, if I give you an answer, what are you gonna do with it? You gonna walk me down the altar? I don't think so. Funny thing is, some guys actually use this as a line. Why should a beautiful girl like you be single? I don't know why a beautiful girl like you is single. Uncle, please move to the left. Like, that is not a pickup line. I don't want to hear that. And it just shows me that you are an uncle. You're too old for me. I beg. Next. Number 5. Now, one thing that a guy should never say to a girl is nothing. Let me set the scene. Imagine I've poured out my heart to you, and you know, we've opened up. I thought I've opened a new door of emotional intimacy, and we've been vulnerable, and you say nothing. After everything I've poured out my heart to you, nothing. It's disheartening. It's upsetting, actually. It would actually make you quite angry, because you've pushed yourself, you've put yourself in this vulnerable state, and the guy comes back with nothing. Yeah, just think about that, guys. So that has been 5 things that a guy should never, never say to a girl. Don't say I didn't warn you. I've told you. I've given you guys expo. So now we've come to the end of this nugget. See you guys in the next video. Bye.
Ọpẹ́ ló